Welcome to my studio. I'm Wendy O'Brien. Thanks for dropping by. This is the 5th piece of the Native American Zodiac series, the Woodpecker. These individuals see nurturing as a necessity to the happiness of others and self through their deep devotion and sensitivity. The Northern Hemisphere dates for the Woodpecker Totem are from June 21st to July 21st, and the Southern Hemisphere is from December 22nd to January 19th. This puts the Woodpecker Totem with the corresponding zodiac signs of Cancer in the north and Capricorn in the south. The sensitive nature of the Woodpecker Totem brings out their emotional side and sometimes leads to pity parties when results don't turn out as desired. But they tend to get over it quickly as they are well versed in the art of forgiveness, even of their own mistakes. Being the heart of the home, to a woodpecker, family is everything, which sometimes causes burnout due to them putting others before themselves and people taking advantage of their kindness. Bringing joy to them is easy. Just let them know how much you appreciate their efforts. There is no need for external incentives. The knock, knock, knock of the woodpecker is likened by the Native American tradition as the core rhythm of the earth, and it is important to listen to its medicine. It is sometimes a struggle to balance thought with emotion for the woodpecker, which causes them to not think things through, but rather pound into a tree with intensity. Stepping back and listening when your feelings start to overwhelm you will help to balance your efforts in life with an equal return of energy. The southern wind rules the woodpecker, with the cardinal direction being south. The wind brings warmth to their being, but logic, not so much. They tend to feel their way through situations instead. Their sharp claws gives them a way to hold on to not only people or situations, but belief and honor as well. They sometimes find themselves moody and depressed due to their empathy and accepting others' burdens without even realizing it. The water element is what rules the woodpecker, thus the emotional tides they experience. This also explains why they don't always hear what you mean and think that it's something terrible. Even though it is an air creature, water saturates their soul, giving them creativity and compassion abound. They are also part of the frog clan alongside the snake and wolf. The woodpecker is a romantic and wholly monogamous. The best pairings of the woodpecker are the beaver, bear, goose, wolf, and snake. The woodpecker is overall good at business and could run their own successfully, including a home-based business. They also make excellent cooks, aware teachers, and caregivers. Their birth moon is the strong sun moon, and the season is a month of long, hot days. The stone is a rose quartz and plant wild rose. This combination gives them their loving emotions. Their color is fuchsia pink, and complementary spirit animal is the snow goose. I have been really enjoying creating these art pieces for the Native American Totem series. If you enjoy learning about each of these totems, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you don't miss out on the remaining Native American totems. If you'd like to explore the woodpecker totem further, I will have a link in the description below. Prints are also available for all of these artworks on Redbubble and Fine Art America. Until next time, keep on arting. Bye!